Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you friends you will be fine. Spending a good and lavish life. Dear friend, you know that crochet criteria which I introduce new and great ideas. So friend, let's come and I introduce overall ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, you will begin. It's are very beautiful and attractive unique designs which I shared with you in this video. So friend, let's come. I will introduce new and great crochet ideas. These are very beautiful and attractive designs which are completely different to each other. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Like the ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. You will begin different type of thinking ideas and knowledge propaganda watching this video. Hopefully friends you will be enjoy these ideas which I shared with you in this video are completely different to each other. It's are very beautiful attractive designs. These ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will be fine spending a good life. In this video I shared with you new and great crochet ideas. It's are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. So friend, you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria which I shared with you through these pictures. I hope friends you will be gain different type of knowledge. It's our most unique and attractive designs which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will begin different type of thinking great ideas. I hope you will enjoy. These ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully friends you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel, like ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will begin different type of knowledge. These are very beautiful attractive designs which I shared with you in this video, and these are very beautiful attractive designs. You will be gain different type of knowledge, gain different type of thinking ideas which I shared with you in this video. Thank you so much dear friends for watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with new great and thinking ideas. To take care dear friends, and goodbye, have a nice day.